If you have trouble breathing through your nose, pay close attention to this video. Because this new invention from a top doctor at Cleveland Clinic could change your life. When you can't breathe through your nose, your only option is to breathe through your mouth, which causes snoring, dry mouth, poor sleep, and other health problems. But thanks to this doctor's award-winning invention, you can finally start enjoying healthy nasal breathing in an instant. His new device gently opens your nasal passages the moment you start wearing it, and corrects the structure of your nose without the need for surgery, allowing you to avoid the health problems that come with mouth breathing while enjoying deeper, more satisfying breaths. Even better, it's virtually undetectable, so you can wear it day and night without drawing attention. The device is called Hale, and it was invented by Dr. Patrick Byrne, the head of the ear, nose and throat department at Cleveland Clinic. He's spent over 20 years helping patients overcome nasal obstructions at Johns Hopkins. For years, the only options to help people with nasal obstructions were toxic sprays or expensive surgery. But Dr. Byrne always believed that a simple, affordable, and natural device could work just as well. So when a student came to him with a prototype for a new nasal breathing device, he knew he had to take action and bring it to the world. He compiled all his research and feedback from patients over the years, and spoke with fellow medical experts about the problem. His connections at the Cleveland Clinic and Johns Hopkins gave him endless resources, allowing him to create a dream product that helped people finally breathe through their nose.
It needed to be safe, drug-free, and easy for anyone to use. At the same time, it had to be comfortable enough to wear all day, even though nasal obstruction is a medical problem and nothing to be ashamed of. My patients didn't want people to know that they had a problem, so it needed to be discreet enough to wear all day without anyone knowing, no matter where they are or what they're doing.
Dr. Byrne made it his mission to help everyone experience the benefits of nasal breathing, without the high cost, risk, and embarrassment that came with the old solutions. After years of testing and conducting preliminary independent clinical trials, the Hale Breathing Aid was born. Hale is like a contact lens for your nose. Instead of helping you see, it helps you instantly breathe better, and it's comfortable to wear, easy to use, and nearly invisible. Using Hale is easy for people of all ages. Simply place the Hale device in your nose, and it immediately opens your nasal passages, allowing you to breathe again. Wearing Hale can eliminate your snoring and dry mouth, improve your sleep, and help you take deep, energizing breaths. It even uses cushion pads to maximize your comfort, which means you can enjoy better breathing all day and night. It's like it isn't there. Hale works especially well for people who snore at night. It can eliminate your obnoxious, unhealthy snoring the first night you wear it. And it instantly stops mouth breathing, which can cause breathing irregularities and sleep apnea. It's easy to clean thanks to the included cleaning cloth and carrying case, and comes in 3 sizes to ensure a snug, comfortable fit. It's already won 6 prestigious medical awards, including the Lemelson MIT Prize in 2nd place at the Johns Hopkins Healthcare Design Competition, and has been featured in Forbes, TechCrunch, ABC, Business Wire and more. Preliminary trials have proven that Hale is much more effective than nasal strips, and it's 95% as effective as full reconstructive surgery. Hale is affordable for everyone and includes a 90-day satisfaction guarantee, so anyone with trouble breathing through their nose can try it 100% risk-free. Join the thousands of people who are already sleeping and breathing better with Hale. Click here for more information.